For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo paano kumuha ng marriage certificate online. Go to your Google account and type psahelpline.ph. Then click psahelpline.ph, yung sa may pinakataas. Click order now, then click marriage. I-check mo lang yung mga box dyan for consent. Then click my own marriage certificate, then click continue. Request for your own marriage certificate. Yan yung mga information na need mo fill upan, then click continue. Ayan, fill upan mo yung first name mo, middle name mo, last name, your birthday, your date of birthday, and your year, your government issued ID type. Kailangan tama yan kasi yan yung gagamit mo upon receiving ng parcel mo. Yan, your marriage date, kung kailan kayo kinasal, yung date niya. Yan yung pinaka-importante, tsaka yung place of marriage. Paki-input ng tama para hindi magkamali. Kasi once na mali yung mga in-input mo dyan, hindi makikita and mabe-verify the PSA kung ikaw ba talaga yan, and baka hindi ma-deliver yung order mo. Ayan. Yan yung mga information na kailangan fill upan. Yung amount ng PSA is 365 pesos. Same lang siya sa birth certificate. Thank you.